Okay. So our next problem, it says how many integers between 2020 and 2400 have four distinct digits arranged in increasing order? For example, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay, it's one integer. Okay, so we want between 2020 and 2400, and they have to be in increasing order, and all the numbers have to be unique. Okay, so in that case, within this interval, since we start with a 2, our next number has to be a 3, right? If it's a 4, then our max is 2400, so we can't really go past that. And so it's going to have to be a 3 because that's the one that's increasing after 2, the next one. Okay, so now we just need to figure out what we're going to put for these two, what these two digits can be. So once you have a 3 here, your options for this become 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Okay, and then once you have this done, if you pick 4, for instance, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 options. If you pick 5, then you have 4 options left. If you pick 6, then you have 3 options, and just in that order. If you pick 7, you have 2 options left. If you pick 8, you have 1 option left, right? Because 8 can only be followed by 9, so that's 1 option. 7 can be followed by 8 and 9, 2 options. 6 can be followed by 7, 8, or 9, so 3 options in that order. Okay, so these are the options that we have. So we can sum them up to figure out to all our options. So 5 plus 4, that's 9, plus 3, 12, plus 3, 15. So this gives us C. Okay, another way to do this would be to say, okay, I'm choosing 2 places here, but I have 6 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this becomes 6 choose 2. And so if you kind of work that out, that is, it's just the number up here, that factorial. So 6 factorial over 6 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So that gives me 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All over 6 minus 2, that's 4. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then 2 factorial is just going to be 2 times 1. All right. So let's see what we can cancel out here. This 2 cancels out that one. And then the 4 and the 3 also cancel out. So we're left with 30 divided by 2 times 1. So that's 15. Same answer. Just a different way of doing that. And we don't care, we care about the order, so there's only one way of doing it. It has to be in increasing order, so we can leave our answer as 15. Okay, awesome.